Now that we're basically completed with the entire green, we're doing one more revisit on the stimp. Now you remember earlier when we did this, when we only had the white sand in, we were roughly at about an 8, 8.5. Now this we've maxed out with the white sand and the green sand. We've rolled for approximately 3 hours and the ball speed has increased exponentially. So on this particular stimp test, we are rolling at a 1310. So it has increased by 5 feet on the stimp. Now, you're able to control your ball speed, or ultimately your stimp speed, by how much sand that we put into it and how much you roll it. So less sand, less rolling, the slower the ball speed. Obviously we've maxed out the amount of sand that you can put in here and rolled it for 3 hours, and we're now at a 13 plus.